Hey there. If you're a UX or UI designer wondering, what actually makes a portfolio stand out? You're not alone. In this video, we're breaking down the must-haves of a strong design portfolio, what to include, how to structure it, and how to tell your story in a way that gets noticed. Whether you're applying for jobs, freelancing, or just leveling up, this one's for you. First impression matters. Before anyone reads a word, they feel your portfolio. Clean layout, easy navigation, cohesive visuals. Your homepage should answer 3 questions in under 10 seconds. Who are you? What do you do? Why should I keep scrolling? Use a clear headline. Add a photo or logo. And show one great project right up front. Make it personal, but professional. Case studies are everything. Your case studies are the heart of your portfolio. And here's the structure that works every time. The hook. What was the project? What impact did it make? The problem. Be specific. What pain point were you solving? The process. Show your thinking. Research, sketches, wireframes, testing. The outcome. Numbers or feedback? What changed? The reflection. What did you learn? What would you do better next time? Don't just show pretty UIs. Show the why behind every decision. Because teams don't just hire your designs, they hire your thinking. Storytelling. Perfection. A polished UI is nice. But if it looks good and says nothing, you've missed the point. Use storytelling. Guide your viewer through the project. Start with a challenge, walk through the work, and land on the outcome. Keep your tone human. Imagine explaining it to a mentor over coffee, and if something failed and you learned from it, say that. It makes you real. It makes you valuable. Visuals. That speak. Your visuals should support your story, not just fill space. Show your early sketches next to the final design. Annotate wireframes to highlight decisions. Use mock-ups sparingly. Focus on flow, on usability, on thinking. Your portfolio isn't just a gallery, it's proof of how you solve problems. Make it usable. Clunky portfolio? That's a red flag. Keep it fast. Use simple menus and clear labels. Make sure it works beautifully on both desktop and mobile. Because the UX of your portfolio is already saying something about you. Bonus tips. Less is more. 2 strong case studies beat 6 half-baked ones. Show your role clearly, especially in team projects. A short "about me" with personality goes a long way. Link your resume, LinkedIn, Dribble, anything relevant. And if you've got user feedback, use it. It shows real-world impact. Your portfolio is your pitch. It's how you show, not just tell, what kind of designer you are. So make it clean, make it honest, make it you. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, share it with another designer, and subscribe for more no-fluff UX UI content that actually helps you grow.